Who are you? What did you say?
I'm a good member. Good member. Mkono kabende. No, kabende. Okay,
At this side, eh? At the shin, everything here. Okay? This side, this side.
The name sounds Uganda. Let's lie. Let's lie. Something like that. If you're from the eastern, you'll be Musoga. The Musoga is Masi. Kaka, where are you? From Mega FM.
The neighbor that ordered for chicken, and the chicken somehow didn't look like chicken. But it's an amazing experience, and I know at a later time we will be able to share our experiences. For now,
get me a mic. Get me another mic from there.
The organizers enough.
Okay.
It's a beautiful thing.
So tell me something. So when I'm in Gulu, I'll ask for Kwan Kalo.
Yes.
I'll ask for Gweno.
Uh-huh.
I'll ask for La Korokor. I'll ask for Bo.
One important thing you have not yet mentioned.
Uh-huh.
Malakwan.
Malakwan.
Yes.
So how are we making your orders here?
Unfortunately, I even don't know how to say Malakwan in English. So you get to the restaurant and you say, "Do you have bo?" And she was like, "Boo, what is boo?" But man, it's amazing. It's
Okay.
So for those who have not yet been able to reach northern Uganda, Gulu is a very known city in the country. First of all, because of the bad history of the conflicts that we had, but we have put that behind us. It's in the past. Now life has started.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You say good morning to me. Good morning, you tell say good morning. And if the morning is good, if the morning is good, how very small. Jump. So greet me now. The mic is on, greet me. Yeah. Speak in your language, me I know your language. How is Dubai? Speak. Speak.
Your language?
Yes.
Eh, Dubai there are no way. Na pin na pone le roa. Kamali kini roa